Welcome to another episode of Hike in Vicenza. There is a word in the local Vicenza dialect that cannot really be translated, and that is vaio. It basically indicates a narrow canyon, usually located in between two elevations, filled with debris or stones that can be climbed with appropriate gear. That, of course, includes a climbing helmet, given the inherent risks of the geological formation. One of the most famous vai in the area is called Pelagata, a Cimbrian toponym that may have originally designated a fenced area for animals. You can drive to La Gaza near Requaro and from there take path 114 to reach the entrance to the natural gorge. What we're doing today is kind of halfway between hiking and climbing, so please understand that it may not be a suitable destination if you're in the mood for a relaxing stroll. Also, beware of falling stones and make sure you don't inadvertently move rocks with your feet and cause them to fall on other mountaineers' heads behind you. For this type of hiking, you will need to use your hands. The footpath tends not to be clearly visible at times, so you'll have to find your way through the rocks sometimes. Remember to follow the red and white signs painted along the trail. If you find that certain cliffs are too dangerous for you, please notice that sometimes there are alternative routes you can take, usually on the left-hand side, to bypass the difficult passages. In about 1.5 to 2 hours, you will reach the Campobrun Alp and the adjacent Refugio. Grab a bite, take a breather, and then take the trail on the left and walk as far as the Passo della Lora. Here, we're gonna opt for path 113, called L'Uomo e la Donna, after two picturesque monoliths which vaguely resemble a man and a woman, or so they say. We will eventually find ourselves again near Malgalarecche, the dairy farm we encountered on the way up, and the Refugio Battisti, where we parked our car. The whole hike takes approximately 4 hours.